Hi guys, welcome, and you can see a lot of replica is available here. A lot of truck, autos, and cars are going from here to there. You can watch here. So we have come here to get myself fitted. Now I have got myself fitted, and now we are standing. So I thought to make a vlog. You can see there is a banyan tree. There is a lot of car is going here and there, and Suju is also with me. Suju is going to say something. You can see there is it's a nearby area. Here you here the M's M's is available from here. You can go to the M's and we met the M's. Now my sister is also with me. Suju is here. Suju is also standing. So Suju, so let's guys go with me, and I will make a vlog here. You can see we are able to see a lot of van are going here, and a lot of buses are here. Cars are available here. What is that?
He is dancing.
Yeah, you may see there is a neem tree. So I think that we should make a vlog, and I try to make a vlog, but here a lot of people doesn't know about this, so I do not try to make. But it is important if you really want to any person fluent. You can see a lot of traffic is here. A lot of person are going by their motorcycle. Some of them are going by car. You can see other person are going. There is also a banyan tree. You can see, and if you might have seen, if you are able to see, there is AIMS hospital. So let's go, Suju. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
So we are going. You
What
can
is
also
like?
see.
You can see each and every car here.
Yeah, you can see all the car. This is a residential area, and a lot of rich people live here. So you can see a lot of car is here, and you can see there is also a police who is there, who is standing, who is doing duty. So now we are going downstairs, taking the phone. I am going to downstairs, taking the phone. So now I have started going to downstairs, and we will try to search the bus. With the bus we will go to the Kalkaji metro, Kalkaji station. From there we will to car train. We are going, you can see we are going by the stair keys. So now we are about to reach. So after reaching there we will let's go from here is not, let's go carefully. You will have to go. Suju is with me, and while going I am making a vlog. You can see a person is talking here. So I try to make a vlog, but as I said to you, not a lot of person are more educated. You can see there is a jewelry shop available. If you are able to see, this is the jewelry shop which is available there. You can see these are the DTC bus which are going. After you get the help of the DTC bus, we will go, and you can see here is also a shop. From here you may purchase everything whatever you want. So do you want to purchase something from this shop? So is not going to purchase something.
Oh, watch.
I always get afraid
There
because
is a cloth for
yeah, there is. You can see
bridal.
you can see there is the cloth for bridal.
The door is
So a
already
lot of
ended.
rich person comes there. You may also see a girl who is standing. She is watching here. She is thinking that we are going to purchase something, but she is not true. So now we are heading upwards. You can see a lot of person are having something parathe. They are having the parathe. Do you want to have the
No,
parathe?
I will not have it.
Okay, Suju do not want to have the parathe. You can also see there is a shop.
Why? India most powerful.
Yeah. Now we have reached here, and You will have to ask Suju which will go to the Kalkaji. अच्छा
433 उधर ही जाती है।
435 460 भी जाती हो।
हाँ 460 तो मुड़ जाता ही जाता है, 433 उधर ही जाती है।
Right.
कंफर्म है।
Supriya. So we asked that where the bus goes. One person advised that with taking charge of 433 bus we may go to the Kalkaji. So we are just waiting for the DTC bus to arrive. When the bus arrive, so we will reach seat on that and we will go. Oh, map is available. With the map you may also see. With the map is available, so you may also see Suju. Suju is watching. Are you able to understand, Suju? Watch. If you are able to understand. If you are able to understand. Understand? If you are able to understand. 433 you will have to.
Where we are?
Use your brain. Otherwise I am just standing making a vlog. You can see our photographer has come and he is searching.
Kalkaji depot we will go.
Yeah, he is searching for the passenger. For the passenger. Where you think? Very fast. Kalkaji depot, Govinpur. Okay. Okay, so you have gone through and using charger. You see, we will try to reach there. Bus number 433 will go there and we will take. You can see a lot of persons are going here and there. We are standing right now to the south extension.
There is a little tree which is going to be die.
It may
No
be.
one is giving water. We
No.
have a water.
When they grow, so
So
Not-
right now we want for water.
no, when they grow, so it is not needed to give them water. Keep standing. So you can see. Thank you guys for
We have
watching
no-
this vlog. Thank you.